Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What is the value of the supplement of the complement of 27 degrees? So we have complement of 27 degrees equal to 90 minus 27, which is equal to, we have 63 degrees. This is equal to 63 degrees. Now we have to find the value of supplement of this angle. Now we have supplement of complement of 27 degrees. It's going to be equal to 180 minus 63 degrees, which is equal to, it's 117. So this is the required answer.